Hello guys. Well, we are going to keep up with the lesson of numbers, and if you remember, the last time we stopped on the number 40. So we'll keep up with this lesson. We'll keep up with the lesson of numbers, but we will not go deep because you will be completely confused. So let's get started. If it comes to above the letter, but none of this, but this, none of those two short lines, but like that, like wow, like the letter wow, this, like this letter wow, but very small. It's like that. Small wow here. If it comes to like that, small wow, so we call it ضمة. ضمة. Repeat. ضمة. ضمة. Okay? This is it. The fourth one, this is 1, 2, 3, the haraka number 1, the haraka number 2, the haraka number 3, and the haraka number 4, the type of haraka. There is 4 type. This is the fourth one. It's like that, like small 5. You still remember this? Small 5, which people think that is an Indian numbers. No, it's Arabic numbers actually. So this one, there is a little bit smaller than this, or you can say small circle, but very small, like that, like here. So we call it here small cycle. We call it سكون. 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 Of course, these words, later we go deep in this, okay? Someone will say, why we don't say ضمة كسرة فتحة? Okay, don't be in a hurry. Just step by step. Just be patient. Okay? So, there's another case. You can add it to this, but it depends on also the context. Wait, before this step, I need to spell each letter here before talking about the 5 case, the 5th case here, which happened to these letters, to haraka. I need to spell it to you so you can repeat it after me. This is when it comes to fatha, when you put this haraka, when you put fatha here, which we agreed that this is it above the letter, so we say ba, 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 ba. Something is like above, okay? Above, remember this, ba. If it comes to under the letter, if it comes to kasra, will spell this letter or any letter. This is just an example. So we'll spell it, in our case, ba, we'll spell it B. 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 Remember, it's like below or below. B, B, below, B, above, B, below. It's under the letter. And this fatha is above the letter. And if it comes to dhamma, above the letter also, it must be above the letter. So in this case, the letter or any letter, if you put dhamma above it, we spell it bu, bu, bu. Okay, bu. In our case, ba, ba, harf al ba, the letter ba. Okay. If you change it, for example, and you replace it by ta instead of ba, so you will say tu. If it comes to jim, it will be ju. If it comes to, for example, I don't know, ra, so it will be ru. Dhamma. It means you will gather what you make it above. Dhamma. It's like a hug. You will hug your tongue. Du, bu. You will gather your mouth. Okay, you will hug your mouth. Okay, dhamma. Okay, dhamma. This is, remember. So this is it. Sukun, it means stop. There is no action. Stop. We don't need any action. So sukun, zero haraka, zero movement, zero action. It means there is no action. Remember the shape. This one. Zero haraka. There is no haraka. Stop. Don't move. Zero movement. So it will be, in this case, I will not say ba, neither bi nor bu. So what we have to say? What we must say? We will say b, for example. And I know it's very difficult to spell it. It's not easy, but it will be even easier if this letter is amongst the context of a word. Okay, like for example, I will change the ba letter with the lam. Let's try this, okay? Can you tell me what is this? I mean, tell me, spell it. Spell it before I spell it. You do? 1, 2, 3. What you said? Halq. Yes, halq. Halq. This is sukun. There is no action. Ha, there is haraka. There is action. Qun, there is haraka. Qun. Double dhamma. Later we'll talk about this case of double. Don't worry. We are going to learn this, okay? But this one is without haraka. So it will be like his brother, b. So it will be l. So we pronounce it. We spell it. Halqa. Halqun. 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 And the meaning of this is throat, throat. Yeah. So we'll stop today on this. But you will say, but we are talking about numbers. Don't worry. To explain this, I need to pass by all of this. If you don't understand this, you cannot understand this. And basically, you will not understand how I spell the numbers. Okay? So all of what I said leads you to spell the numbers and everything in Arabic very, very, very perfectly without any error. Okay? So later we'll keep up with this. Actually, you reviewed this with me in this video, but I want you at your home, all of you, after this video, try to review this haraka, please. So you will help yourself how to spell Arabic very perfectly, and automatically you will be able to spell anything in Arabic, not only numbers. Okay, so now we'll stop the video, I think. So we need to stop, and I will see you in the next lesson, inshallah. Peace. Assalamu Alaykoum.